How to automatically give someone a role on Discord. Hey guys, this is Nina from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. Open your Chrome browser and then get logged in to your Discord account. Now let's again open a new tab and then type in YAGPDB. At this page, go to Control Panel on your top right. Again on the top right, you will see Login using Discord. Tap that option. Now get logged into your Discord account from here. Once you do so, you will see your username on your top right. Beside your profile, you will see Select Server, tap that, and tap on your server. Your server name will be shown here and you just have to select it. Tap on Continue to access your server. Pretty much check all these and tap on Authorize. Confirm that you are a human. You will see click here to start managing it. Tap that. On your left, go to Tools and Utilities. Scroll below and hit Auto Role. So before we do this, let's go to our Discord server again. Choose your server and go to its settings. Go to Server Settings. Here go to Roles. Then tap on Create Role. Name your role. I'm going to write new role 1. Now save your change and then let's go back. Again under Auto Role, you will see the role that you have just created. Tap on Save. And just like so, if anyone has joined your server, they will be automatically assigned your new role. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.